1.
Hash generator. Call it something. Store FNV32 in Pixified Tips Broadcaster Keeper.
Find that in the description.
Fill out all FNV sections by repasting FNV32 and changing the last number. Selective clone. Object. Pick a thing. Strings and renumber only. Select a string. Edit items. Add. Select a FNV32. Paste number in key. Name it appropriately. Repeat for all.
2.
Extract tuning. Buff. We'll use first kiss. Add to package. Tuning. Data. Rename it. Store name, ID, and instance in Pixified Tips Broadcaster Keeper. XML. Update description, mood, and icon with the FNVs we created earlier. If you don't know how,
Find that in the description.
update max duration for how long you want it to last. Sim data. Data. Paste the tunings instance. XML. Paste buff tunings tuning name. Update buff name. Update buff description and icon. And in Pixified Keeper, copy broadcaster enabled. Tuning. Under audio, paste. Done. Ooh, it's so bite-sized. This is going to go super quickly. You feeling buffed? I'm feeling buffed.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.